Hi guys, hope you're well. I thought I'd make this video this evening. It's 11:30 on Saturday evening. I'm going to publish the video straight away. I would have liked to have made a better quality video tomorrow, but the honest truth is I'm finding it really difficult to run the clothing brand, keep up with my day job, spend time with the family, and just do everything at the moment. So I'm having to accept that things can't be perfect. But I wanted to get a video out this evening really. You may have seen some of my other videos. I'm here to sort of document my creation of a new clothing brand. I'm screen printing everything myself. Thank you if you are one of the 82 subscribers that has watched and decided to follow up until this point. I'm massively grateful for you doing that. Each one has been a real sort of victory for me, so thank you. If any of you are watching now, I really appreciate that. You may have seen that I've done some videos up until this point, sort of like almost like tutorials around starting a clothing brand and some of the things that I've learned, and I wanted to do something a little bit different this time, mainly because it's really late, and tomorrow I've got to do some printing on Sunday, which is going to mean I'm not going to be able to spend hours putting together a video and editing it, because I found that that's taken me a lot of time, which is really not sustainable at the moment. So I wanted to get something out tomorrow and just sort of say hello. And I'm here late at night. I've just been finishing off some artwork for a friend of mine who I've met via Instagram, who's involved in cycling. So I've set up the VÉLOKInd cycling apparel brand. It's a casual cycling apparel brand. But this chap that I've met via Instagram, he was after some of his own t-shirts printing. So that's one of the benefits of doing your own stuff and printing your own clothing brand. People that you connect with. Put my teeth back in. Really kind of interested in what you're doing, and on this occasion he's asked me to print a dozen t-shirts and a hoodie for him, and I'm really pleased and excited to be doing that tomorrow. It's a really cool design, beard on a bike. There's a good group of them down the Huddersfield way that go out cycling a lot more than I'm managing to get out at the moment. So it's cool to be able to do that. I'm really grateful to Aki for giving me that opportunity. So thanks, Aki, if you ever get to watch this. So yeah, just wanted to say hello and thank you for all of you out there that have decided to follow and watch what I've been doing. I'll hopefully do a bit more of it. I will hopefully film some of what I'm going to print tomorrow downstairs in the garage, which is now the screen printing studio, which hopefully you've seen. If not, maybe check out some of the other videos. I will just turn the camera around so you can see where I am. This is kind of the spare bedroom at home where I do keep everything stored. I do all the photography here, packing of everything. I'm just in the process of putting together some hang tags for tomorrow, just in preparation for that. Yeah, running a clothing brand is a messy business. It's not easy, but it's really rewarding, and I've enjoyed the process so far. I've enjoyed the creative outlet that it's given me, the people that I've met, challenges that it's given me, and the skills that I've learned along the way. I'm only sort of a year to 16 months into it, so it's very much a long game, much like YouTube, I think. So thanks very much for watching up until this point. I really appreciate your support. Drop a note down in the comment below, say hello. It'd be nice to hear from you. I'll check you out in the next video. Cheers guys, bye for now.